Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Zoho Books to manage your business finances, you know how important it is to stay on top of your inventory. In today's full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a new item and track your inventory step by step so you can keep your stock levels accurate and your business running smoothly. Stick around until the end to learn how to adjust inventory when things change. This is a game changer for avoiding costly mistakes. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Books. Click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your login details or sign up if you're brand new. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your control center for all financial activities, including inventory management. On the left-hand panel of the dashboard, look for the Items tab. This is where all your products and services live. Click it and you'll see a list of any items you've already created. Create a new item now. Click the New button, usually right at the top. A form will appear where you'll enter all the details for your new inventory item. Item name. Give it a clear and unique name so you can easily identify it later. Description. Add a short but specific description. Include details like size, material, or any key features. Attributes. If your product has variations like color or size, fill these in too. Take a moment to double check everything. Spelling errors here can cause issues when searching or creating invoices later. When you're confident everything's accurate, click Save. Congratulations, you've just added a new item to your inventory. Track and adjust inventory. Adding items is only half the job. To keep your inventory accurate, you'll need to update it whenever stock levels change. Still in the Items tab, look for Inventory Adjustments. This feature lets you modify stock quantities for any item. Here's how you use it. Select the item you need to update. Enter the new quantity, whether you've received fresh stock, found a discrepancy, or had some loss. Save the adjustment. These small updates ensure your reports and financial statements always reflect the real numbers. And that's it. You've learned how to create an item and accurately track inventory in Zoho Books for 2025. With these steps, your stock levels will always stay up to date, helping you make smarter business decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more Zoho tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.